Good morning. All right, so I didn't want to end the vlog too abruptly and I wanted you guys to be a part of this, and those pictures are out for delivery today. And I'm testing out my new mug. Andre has his navy blue one. I'm actually going to clean out our pantry today and organize it with some pretty cool, I don't know, if you nerd out about that stuff, you'll probably like it. There's like labels and everything, Container Store. So I'm going to film that. I'm probably gonna make a reel out of it since I don't do enough Instagram reels. I will never be the girl that dances. I'm not funny. I can't point at things to music. It's just, so I try and, you know, organize and show decor. By the way, we're headed to Animal Kingdom today. We're gonna ride Flight of Passage. We managed to get fast passes. Andre's parents are coming to visit. So on that note, going to clean out the pantry, and you guys are coming with. Current status of the pantry, just random stuff in here. We're going to organize it. I got these bins. They are by the Home Edit. You can get them at the Container Store. Amazing. And I got them in a bunch of different sizes. I got the Lazy Susans as well. We're gonna rejig this room together. Okay, so we just added all of the bins in here. And we put the Lazy Susans in the corner section. And this will definitely get filled up, but I think we're at a pretty good start right now. So I got these labels. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna put, like, they kind of look like write down labels, so it's perfect. I feel like I should maybe keep going with them, but at the same time, I don't wanna take up too much room. Okay, so I got a pack of these clips, and then there's a pack of labels. So you can also do like a white marker, but I figured this would look a lot cleaner, wouldn't smudge, and there's a list of what's on here. So there's like baking, beans, bread, breakfast, cans, cereal ×2, chips ×2, condiments, cookies, cooking, crackers, dinner dressing, drinks, dry goods, extras, grains, lunch, miss, nuts, oats, paper goods, pasta ×2, rice ×2, savory seasonings, snacks ×2, soups, spices, storage, sweets, this and that, treats ×2, and water. So I'm gonna grab the water one because I just put our extra water in there, and I guess you just peel these off. And I'm pretty sure it came in a pack together with all the clips. So I'll show you what this pantry looks like. Sorry for the view, by the way. Pretty sure that you were basically just looking here. Okay, so these are the baskets that we got off of Amazon, and then this is what the clip looks like on it. So you just kind of clip the basket on it, or the clip on the basket. Did they fit? No. Okay, so I'm not gonna do that in here. I'm gonna keep what I have in the other pantry. There's specific Home Edit ones. I'm gonna go back, much to my dismay, Andre's gonna die. We're gonna go back to the Container Store and I'll get the labels there because I just feel like that would be too bad to, no. These are perfect for there, and I will get the Home Edit ones. Okay, so I'm not gonna peel off the water one. So in here, I've got, they're like hyacinth baskets. I think they technically come from Target. I don't know, I just ordered them on Amazon. Nuts will definitely do that. I just wanna show you guys what this looks like. Peeled off crazy. Pressure's on now, it has to fit on this thing. Oh, that looks good, that looks pretty good. Okay, this one. If they were all to be labeled like that, it looks very Ray done. I like it. Okay, so a lot more storage space in this house than I thought we would. We were kind of panicking at first because there's no basement and we're not used to that, but we're good, we're good. I needed the labels, so we came straight here. It's not close to our house at all, but it's heavenly. It's Andre's favorite store ever, next to Michael's, where we just were, and Home Goods, where we will probably end up, and we're going to our first Hobby Lobby experience. These, they're thicker. Success. I think that's gonna have to work because the labels are not fitting, and I think that that looks cleaner. So we will do breakfast here, snacks up here, more chips. Hopefully I have another chips label, water. Okay, things are happening. Oh my gosh, you guys, I cannot believe how well this worked out. I'm gonna take you through each artwork probably during an office tour. I'll take you guys through the entire office once it's finished. But for right now, I just have to say that I am dang proud of myself. I came up with this idea in my head. I felt like it attributed to all the things that I am. I'm an architecture grad, so I love floor plans and all things like that. And just the mastermind behind all of these blueprints is so inspiring. I think the next step, to let you in on a little secret, Andre and I are gonna online shop tonight. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be my birthday gift from some very special people. They know who they are. I love you guys. And I think we're going to put a Tinkerbell statue right here. And she's like laughing off to the side. She's so cute. And she's like, it's a very special piece. So I'm super excited about it. So I think we're gonna do that, and maybe with some books and a plant, and then we will be complete. So I will take you guys through each of the pieces. I will definitely link all the posters down below. This was a super, not only simple DIY to do, but also beautiful, easy. The only part that was complicated was laying out the wall, but I showed you guys how I did that. And I will also link the frames. So these frames come in all different shades of wood as well as brass and all that stuff. And they're so reasonable. They came in like a pack of 10 for the smaller ones and a pack of 5 for the big ones. Amazing. So I will link everything. Thank you for all of the love on Instagram, all the birthday wishes, all of the just amazing amounts of love and gratitude on our end from you guys and by Andre and I, and you guys are just honestly the best. So thank you. I hope that you guys enjoyed all of the adventures so far, and they will definitely continue. Definitely go hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any future videos. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I want to know if you guys are loving the vlog style and just kind of coming along with us and on our many adventures. By the way, we have window treatments now. Yay! All right, stay tuned for the house tour. It's coming. Office tour will be coming. Gotta clean up my mess that I have now made with all my construction, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, dudes.